There are many different styles of a type of granny square. Now, you can make them any type you want for your jacket or your sweater. Just showing you a few different types here. But I have chosen to make my jacket with this type of granny square. I am now crocheting a whole bunch of them, and then I will show you how I measure it on an old jacket, or you can use a sweater that fits nice. And it will be colorful. Also, get yourself a bag of safety pins, because you will be pinning them on the jacket to see how they fit before you sew them or crochet them together. I prefer sewing them together. I will show you step by step how I do it. But yes, these are going to be my choice. The one here with the rose in the middle, I had made a whole bedspread, and it turned out gorgeous. This is the type of jacket. It's like a suit jacket but not fitted, that I'm going to pin the squares on. I will start pinning on the back first. I will need a few more squares for the back. Now you have to decide if you're going to want a jacket or a sweater, if you're going to add sleeves or not. I only start pinning the first row. But all this will be pinned, and then row by row they will be taken off and sewed by hand. I've got the bad side down. I leave one piece of string on the back, so I know that's back side, because sometimes both sides look so good until you're wearing it. There are some people that will pin the squares together like this and then flip it onto a table and sew it. Now what I will do is I will take one whole roll and sew it, take another roll and sew it, and then sew the two rolls together and continue this way. That way I know the colors I want together will be together and not all mixed up. Now this is the back of the jacket, and I have them all sewed together already. And the little bit you see up here that is black space will be crocheted separately. But the back is all done. Now I'm starting to make the squares for the front. A lot of squares. Now on the front you will see from the collar down there will be an edge right over here. So where the square ends, then another row of crocheted stitching will come down. You would not try to make a fourth of a square or anything like that. So you will have it edging all the way around. I'm still thinking, with all these squares you got to make, maybe I should just go and make a sweater instead of a jacket. We'll see. This is what we have so far done, and there's a little bit more to go, and then I will show you the finish. 2 more squares to finish this before I start the sleeves.